What's going on, guys? Welcome back to a new video. Today we'll be learning about the border radius. So ever since we've revealed the borders of the boxes, you may have noticed that the borders highlight the true shape of an element's box, a square. Thanks to CSS, a border doesn't have to be a square. You can modify the border radius property to take advantage and make it, more circular, since the current trends are, all nice things are a little rounded. If you take a look around you, you'll see that most companies are taking advantage of the rounded corners. It might really benefit you from that. So let's go ahead and take a look at this. So the code in the example above will set all four corners of the border to a radius of 5 pixels, the same curvature that a circle with a 5 pixels would have. You can create a border that is a perfect circle by creating an element with the same width and height, and then setting the radius equal to half of the width of the box, which is 50%. The code in the example above creates a div that is a perfect circle. So let's do some practice with this. In the style.css, go to banner.content and then set the border radius to be 15 pixels. And you guys see, additionally, try experimenting with other border radius values and running your code to see the result. So this looks way nicer than if we hadn't had this. So let me go ahead and remove this real quick. So you guys see how ugly this looks, right? And then if you make it like this, looks pretty nice. It looks pretty rounded, way nicer than the other one, more pleasing than the other one. But yeah, that's gonna do right here. If you enjoyed this, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys in the next video.